Hi, this is week 10, assignment 3. I would like to, this one is basically for those new to my class. Every other week, we have either vocabulary or typing. So last week we had vocabulary. So this week we will have typing. Now, just for the people who are new and to refresh the people who have been with me, this is not graded on the basis of how fast you can type. So please don't tell me you can type 70 words a minute when you can type 7. This is for you to get better, because no matter what you do in technology in the world, no matter what you use, no matter what job you have, you will most likely have to have typing. So I want you to get better at typing. I have been showing little snippets of ways to get better at typing, like how to sit properly, how to put your fingers at the home row, etc. But I do not teach you how to type. I am giving you options to get better at typing. So if you go to assignment 3, there's 2 different ways to do it. If you are new to my class, I want you to go to thetypingtest.com and take a 1-minute typing test. So if you click on it, it will take you here, and we want to stay in 1 minute and text. Sentences and words are a little bit harder if you ask me. And if you click on more options here, it will give you an option to change what you type about. They are all the same difficulty, but if you want to type about tigers versus the Wizard of Oz, you can do that. If you want to type about baseball or Space Cowboys, whichever one you choose. Basically, what you'll do is you're going to choose whatever one you want, make sure it stays 1 minute, and say start typing test. It's not going to begin until you type your first word. So over here, once you type in this, you will see that it starts typing and going over here. When it is done, it's going to pop up like this, and it's going to tell you your typing speed, the number of errors you made, and adjusted speed. What I want you to share with me is your adjusted speed. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your submission here, and you're going to say my adjusted typing speed is 26. That's all I need you to do if you are new to my class. There's like 40 of you. If you have been in my class, what I want you to do is a little bit different. All right, so I'm going to test your memory a little bit, and I'm going to make you do something a little bit different. So I want you to click on the link. So you'll click on the link, and it's going to come up like this. And what I want you to do is go over here to where it says free typing tests. And I want you to click on lesson, and I want you to go to number 1, home row only. I want you to keep it at 1 minute and then start the test. Now, we did an assignment that used only the home row, the A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, semicolon, quotations 1. That's what I want you to take the test for. So you're going to take the test, and then you are going to go back and you're going to copy and paste this sentence into your assignment submission. So it will be my home row typing speed is, so whatever you got on this typing is, I want you to put there. My last typing speed was, we just took our typings 2 weeks ago. You had to do your typing speed, and you had to set a goal for second quarter. So I just want you to revisit that and put what your speed was 2 weeks ago and what your goal is. Then you can look at this and you can kind of see, does home row help me? Does it not? What should I be working on? And then you can go from there. I will also post a page in this assignment for the new students that have 3 or 4 good websites to practice typing. You can practice typing at any time. I do not make an assignment for you to practice typing. I just check on your status every other week. So, as always, if you have any questions, let me know.